Unveiling the Truth. Understanding, that's a lie, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, that's a lie. Understanding this phrase is crucial for both speaking and comprehending English in everyday situations. So, let's unravel its meaning and usage together. That's a lie is a straightforward expression used when someone believes that what another person has said is not true or deceptive. It's a direct and often blunt way of accusing someone of not telling the truth. Example 1. If your friend says he won a lottery, but you know he didn't, you might respond, "That's a lie." Example 2. In a movie, when a character discovers a betrayal, they might confront the betrayer by saying, "That's a lie." Understanding the context and tone is vital when using "that's a lie." In casual conversations, it can be used humorously among friends, like jokingly accusing someone of lying about something trivial. In serious discussions, it's a strong accusation. It's important to use it carefully to avoid offending someone or escalating a situation. In media and literature, often used to create drama or highlight a moment of revelation. In different cultures, the directness of "that's a lie" can be perceived differently. In Western cultures, it's often acceptable to be direct, but it might still offend some people. In more reserved cultures, such direct accusations might be considered rude or confrontational. If you want to express doubt without being too direct, you can use softer alternatives. 1. Are you sure about that? Less confrontational. 2. That doesn't sound right to me. Expresses doubt without directly accusing someone of lying. 3. I think there might be a misunderstanding. Suggests a possibility of miscommunication rather than intentional lying. And that's all about the phrase, "that's a lie." Remember, understanding the context and tone is key to using this phrase appropriately. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey to mastering English. See you in our next lesson, and keep practicing.